everyone, happy November. Just wanted to reach out and say hello. Have a couple of things to share with you this month before we all get wrapped up in our Thanksgiving plans. The first thing I wanted to mention is I want to bring you something that's informative, educative, and of value. And you know, in the last couple of months, we've talked about inventory, we've talked about days on market, and what I'm looking at right now is pricing. And as you can see from the chart I'm about to share with you, we're actually holding pretty steady on pricing. The only drop that we've had is since June to October. So you're gonna see the peak of the line is gonna be June of this year. And as it drops down, it's going to be October of this year. And we've only had about a $20,000 drop in the median price in the Atlanta metro area. So that's actually not hugely significant. It is a little bit lower than our peak in the summer, but you know, it's still holding very, very steady. So it'll be interesting to see what happens in the next couple of months with inventory and with days on market and with price. One of the things that I was talking about with a colleague this morning is that I feel like what we're experiencing in the market right now is that we are getting our seasonality back. Real estate is very much a seasonal, has a seasonality to its market, and during the last 18 to 24 months, we lost all of that seasonality, and that started with COVID. So what I expect to happen in the next 6 to 12 months is that we regain our seasonality and we start to see the ebbs and flows throughout the year that we have, that I've actually always experienced in the last 25 years. So as always, I'm here to answer your real estate questions. We're here to help. If you have any confusion about what's going on in the market right now, please don't hesitate to reach out. We did see a drop in interest rates yesterday, so that was a really good way to start off the week. The other thing that I wanted to chat with you guys about is our gratitude experience. I hope that you received our little post-it notes in the mail in the past couple of weeks, and I hope you'll join us in this gratitude experience during November. It's one of the ways that I've always reset my personal gratitude practice, and I love these little post-it notes because I can write myself a reminder of what I'm grateful for. Today, one of the things I'm grateful for is fresh drinking water. And I think for a lot of us, that's something that we take for granted. You know, some people won't drink it without filter, without it being in a bottle, etc. But just the fact that we have fresh drinking water is something to be really, really grateful for. So hope you guys enjoy these. And last but not least, I wanted to share something with you in this newsletter that we're going to be having in our Thanksgiving table, or on our Thanksgiving table, and it looks amazing. So I'm going to be making this recipe next week. We're going to share the recipe with you. They are brie and cranberry relish bites. It's going to be super easy. I think there's like less than 6 ingredients to make them. I know it takes a little phyllo pastry, some yummy brie cheese in the middle, and some little cranberry relish, or I'm sure you could probably put any kind of preserves or marmalade that you prefer on top. I think you just pop them in the oven and you have a yummy little appetizer to share with your friends and family. Have a great November and happy Thanksgiving.